How to start making money online, beginner friendly. What if I told you that right now, with no special skills and little to no upfront costs, you could start making money online? Today, I'm going to show you the exact step you need to take. Stick with me until the end because I'll be sharing the most effective platforms and tools that can get you earning in no time. Making money online isn't just possible. It's the smartest way to take control of your financial future. Whether you're looking for extra income or hoping to replace your 9-to-5 job, the opportunities are endless. What are the realities of making money online? Number one is setting expectations. Get real. Making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, but the beauty is once you start, you can earn anywhere, anytime. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop with internet connection. Types of online income stream. There are two main ways to make money online: active income and passive income. Active income means trading time for money, freelancing or online gigs. Passive income, on the other hand, is where you set something up like an affiliate website or a YouTube channel and let it make money over time. Now, what are the simple ways to start making money today? Freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr are perfect for beginners. Start offering services like writing, graphic design, or even virtual assistant with no upfront costs. Here is the secret. Find your niche, create a compelling profile, and start applying for gigs. It doesn't matter how little experience they are, all beginner friendly. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Websites like Amazon Associates or ClickBank make it super easy to sign up. Grab a referral link and start promoting. The key is to find products you actually believe and share them with your audience. You can promote them through a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media platform like Instagram. Let's talk about online surveys and micro tasks. For those who want to start right away with no skill at all, try doing micro tasks or online surveys. Websites like Swagboss and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you to find completing small tasks like data entry or answering surveys. It will make you rich, but it's a great way to earn extra cash while you build other income streams. We have automation tools. To make your online work more efficient, you have to use tools like Trello for organizing tasks or a simple Google Sheet to track your earnings for freelancer. Grammarly can also help you polish your work. Canvas can make your design pop if you are a graphic designer. Building your personal brand. No matter which method you choose, building your personal brand is essential for long-term success. Whether it's through your LinkedIn, a YouTube channel, or an Instagram page, having a presence helps you attract clients and grow your income. Share a success story with you. I have a friend called Jenny, a stay-at-home mom who started freelancing on Upwork with no prior experience. She started by offering virtual assistant services, and within 1 month, she earned over $1,000 per month. While working from home, best part, she now has a steady flow of clients, allowing her to scale her business. Imagine what you could do with an extra $1,000 or more per month. And the best part, there's no limit to how much you can grow. Let's look at how you can scale up and maximize your potential in online earning. You have to invest in learning. The most successful online earner continuously learn. Whether it's improving your skill or platform like Udemy, or using free resources like YouTube tutorial, the more you know, the more you earn. You have to diversify. That brings us to diversifying your income. Once you've got one income stream going, don't stop there. Consider diversifying into different areas like blogging, YouTube, e-commerce. More streams mean more financial security. Making money online isn't just as hard as it seems. With the right tools, platforms, and strategies, you can start earning today. No matter your background or experience level, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep building. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments which money making method you're going to try first. For more tips and step-by-step guide, check out the links in the description. Thank you.